Hi, it's me, Richard. Today, I'm going to show you one of the manual way that you can archive logs as much as you want and be able to retrieve partially and to do your log searches. As you know that we have some customers who wanted to store logs into longer solutions. However, when Iguana logs in production become large, it created a lot of issues such as performance issues or storage issues. So in practical, we really recommend the customer to keep their production logs small for easier search and processing the queued messages. But at the same time, customers needed to archive logs and use it for auditing and historical search purpose. So in this case, you can really do this very easy steps. The first things, as you can see, we have some kind of demo to show you this is kind of running productions. And what you want to do is you want to check the Iguana production licenses, make sure that you use the same license as your archive Iguana, which is going to use it later. At the same time, you want to kind of see if this log has been encrypted. So in this case, I have encrypted. I just wanted to make sure that if you back up this log into Log Archive Iguana, you're able to archive those logs. Okay, so with those information you have, what you want to do here now, if you are in the Iguana basic, you don't need to worry about the log encryption functions here. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to your production Iguana. Typically, will be in program file INTERFACEWARE Iguana. You want to find out where is your log folder is. In this case, my log is inside here, and you want to do is you want to copy all of the logs here. You can do this kind of process either manually, or you can write some kind of file sync application. You use a robot copy or rsync to do it. Basically, you just wanted to kind of back up those logs on the daily basis into archive log folder. So in this case, I have archive logs inside here. And then you can make automation to sync on daily, as Iguana will be generate new log file on the daily basis. Once you have done that, you also wanted to copy the log auto lockers and the log.locker files. This will help you to auto unlock Iguanas. And so in this case, you want to go to your new Iguana directories. So in my case, I installed the Iguana on the same server as this demo machine is as a manual install. So I store in the Iguana log archive, and you just need to put in those two files in the Iguana configuration folders. And then you can start thinking about which Iguana logs you want to store. So in my case, I want to store for example, the fast 3 or 4 days of logs, or I can put all of those if you want to. And it depends on what kind of partially logs you have, and you want to put it into the new Iguana log directory and in here. When the Iguana log archive Iguana started, it will rebuild the log index, and you should be able to search and perform all the log viewing capabilities. So once you have done that, you can just start your Iguana. In my case, my Iguana is on the port 7543, and you can see it start building the log archive and indexes here. Everything is ready, and you just needed to go to 7543 to log in. On the first time login, it may ask you for, are you going to use a existing or old? Then you choose existing. In my case, I already selected, so it's a pretty funky figure. As you can see, all the log auto detect set. There's no channels has been put in here. However, you could start reviewing your logs. As you can see, those logs, it just come from the logs in here. Okay. And what you can do is you can say, hey, I want to select some messages, and you can see this is all the message that come from your production logs that is look like identical in here. And you can also perform your HL7 ADT message search, such as I want to only search for ADT, and they can perform a lot of new log auditing and reviewing. Okay. So hopefully could be a good example for you to start thinking about the log archive solutions so you can keep your production running more smoothly. Thank you. Bye.